Sharpen blurry images on mobile with Remini AI.
Discover how to restore clarity to old or blurry photos with Remini AI, a powerful mobile app that quickly enhances images. Whether you want to revive cherished memories or fix out-of-focus shots, Remini makes it easy. This guide will walk you through using Remini to transform your pictures directly from your phone.
Downloading and setting up the Remini app.
Begin by downloading the Remini app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. After installing, open the app and follow the prompts to create a free account. Some features may require a subscription, but you can start enhancing images with the basic version. Grant the app permission to access your photos for seamless editing and importing.
Choosing the right photo to enhance.
Select a photo that is blurry, pixelated, or faded. Tap the Enhance option in the Remini app and browse your gallery for the image you want to sharpen. The app works best with portraits, but can also help with landscapes and other subjects. Make sure the chosen photo is saved on your device to ensure smooth processing.
Enhancing the image with Remini AI.
Once your photo is selected, tap the Enhance button to let Remini work its magic. The app uses advanced AI to sharpen details, improve clarity, and reduce blur. After processing, you'll see a side-by-side comparison of the original and enhanced images. Review the result and use the sliders to adjust the intensity to your preference.
Saving and sharing your enhanced photo.
If you're happy with the improvement, tap the Save button to download the enhanced image to your gallery. Remini also allows easy sharing directly to social media or messaging apps. Consider comparing before and after versions to appreciate the difference. With just a few taps, your old or blurry photos can look fresh and clear.
Tips and final thoughts.
For best results, use Remini with photos that have faces or clear subjects. The free version offers limited daily enhancements, so plan accordingly or consider subscribing for unlimited use. Always save original copies of your photos. Remini is an accessible and effective tool to bring clarity back to your memories from your mobile device.